Hello everyone. Now today we are going to discuss the important question cell division for ICSE grade 10th biology 2020-21 boards. That means the learners who are going to appear in boards this year. Fine. So we'll be taking up the questions and how to solve those questions. Basically hum will be talking that how do you write the answer so that you score good. Fine. In this, watch the video till the end because I'll be explaining each and every question, how they are going to be there in your paper. We have already discussed the important questions, but yes, how do you write the answers? So we'll start now. Okay, so we move to this sample paper. I have just jotted down a few board questions, a few sample questions just to give you an idea ki how do you write the answers. Starting up with the first question. Draw the diagram. Given below. I'll just okay. So the diagram given below represents a stage during cell division. Study the same and answer the questions that follow. Now, first of all, you need to what my suggestion is, just go through the stage properly. अपने conclusions निकालो. You just go through the stage, उसको देखो अच्छे से and see what you can gauge and then read the questions that follow. So the first question is, name the parts labeled 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now 1. Fine. Now herein we will mention they have not marked the dot. Fine. They have not asked this whole structure. So we can write asterisk. Fine. Or you can also write asterisk from centriole. This completes your answer. No one can deduct marks. Next. This is very clear. Second, spindle fibers. Third, it's not a chromosome. It's half. So a chromatid. Fine. So how did you judge that yahan pe arrow is not, they are not asking you the whole structure. So we will write asterisk, but yes, हमें कोई भी chance नहीं लेना है, तो you will write from centrioles. Then the arrowheads, this is very clear. These are the spindle fibers. And then of course you will not write a chromosome for this because it's not a chromosome. It's half of the chromosome. It's the chromatid. Fine. So it's not a duplicated chromosome. So you'll write chromatid. Next is identify the above stage and give reasons to support your answer. Now you can see clearly that the question is divided into two parts. Identify and then give reason. So there are two portions. So it is half mark each. ऐसा नहीं होगा that they will just mark you one for this. They have half mark for identification and half for reasoning. So identify, it is anaphase. Reasons, because in this stage the homologous chromosomes, the chromosomes have split apart and the chromatids have separated and reached the poles. Also, we can see a constriction here in the cell membrane which shows that it is late anaphase. जब identification की बात आएगी बेटा, you don't have to specify late or early. You just write anaphase. Fine. Mention where in the body this type of cell division occurs. Now this is a general question. It is mitosis. So it occurs in body cells. Or you can, अगर आपको ज़्यादा याद है तो you write somatic cells. That's up to you. You write body cells, somatic cells, both will be correct. Name the stage prior. Prior का मतलब होता है बेटा पहले. P से याद रखो. Pre-prior, P पहले. P-prior, P पहले. Prior to this stage and draw the diagram to represent the same. Prior मतलब इससे पहले कौन सा स्टेज आता है? मेटाफेज. यहाँ कई बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं, मैम अर्ली एनाफेज तो नहीं लिखना था. नो, you have to write metaphase. This is anaphase and the stage which is prior to this is metaphase, and then draw the diagram. Draw the diagram of metaphase. As simple as that. Here also name and diagram are there. So it's a 5-marker question. What I could gauge is the labelings are there. Fine. This is 1 mark. Identification, 1 mark. Here we have a stage and the diagram. It should be 1.5 because half. That is 1.5. Fine. Okay, so this is name the stage, which will be half mark, that means 0.5, and we are left with how many marks? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and half 5. So 1 mark ka will be the diagram. Draw the diagram of 1 mark and half mark for naming. What I am trying to tell you is if a statement is divided into 2, वो दोनों ही parts will carry marks. आप ये नहीं कर सकते that you just write the name and then do not draw the diagram. You will lose marks. Fine. So this is how you draw the do the diagrams which are from cell divisions, the structural questions. I have taken one more, so we'll go through it also. Given below is a diagram representing the stage during mitotic cell division. Study carefully and answer the following questions. Now, is it a plant cell or animal cell? Now, you can clearly see that it has a cell wall around it. So, it is a plant cell. Fine, it's a plant cell. So, a reason, I have already given you the reason that there is no cell wall, there is a cell wall in this, so it's a plant cell. Identify the stage shown. Which stage is this? Prophase. Because the chromosomes are there, duplicated, but they are not arranged in equatorial plane. So, it is prophase. Name the stage that follows the one shown here. So, the stage which follows prophase is metaphase. How is that stage identified? अब उसका एक feature लिखेंगे, very simple, that all the chromosomes, they arrange themselves in equatorial plane. That's metaphase. How will you differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of number of daughter cells produced? Beta, I want to tell you something here. When in the question it's mentioned, how will you differentiate between mitosis and meiosis? That means you have to differentiate between mitosis and meiosis. पर उन्होंने basis भी दिया है, number of daughter cells produced. तो you will not write any other difference. आपको और कुछ नहीं लिखना है. You just have to mention the difference on the basis of number of daughter cells produced. Fine. 2 in case of mitosis and 4 in case of meiosis. That's it. Fine. So, here also you can clearly see there are 4 questions. Fine. Now, 1 mark. This is name the stage which is shown here and how that stage is identified, 2 marks. This is differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of daughter cells produced, 1 mark. Identify the stage, 1 mark, and this would be 2 marks. Now you can clearly, मतलब ऐसे आपको mark distribution you have to see, because that will not be given in your paper. It will just say 5 mark. तो आपको पता लग गया, is it a plant or animal cell? 1 mark. When you identify, give reasons, other 1 mark. Identify the stage, 1 mark. Name the stage that follows and how that stage is identified, 1 mark, half each. So what I am trying to tell you is, please be very specific, and when you read a statement, देखो कि 2 things are asked there, so you have to write 2. Fine. Moving on to our next question. Now this is not a diagrammatic question because I have already discussed कि वो कैसे answer करते हैं. Now we will move to the other type of questions. Here mention the following statements whether true or false. बेटा ये एक बहुत ही important question है. It will be there in all the papers almost. If false, rewrite the wrong statement in its correct form. Very important. Children, they don't do it. They lose marks. जो तो true है, very good. जो तो false है, like mitosis results into 4 daughter cells. No, it results in 2. So it is false, but you have to mention. Either, देखो दो चीजें, दो तरह से this question is asked. Sometimes they give in the paper कि change the underlined word. ऐसे word को underline कर लेंगे and they will say change the underlined word. उस case में you just have to change the word, like mitosis की जगह meiosis आ जाएगा. But this kind of a statement where they have not mentioned that underlined word को change करना है, तो you can change it like this also, that mitosis result in 2 daughter cells. That's solely up to you. आपको जो भी याद है, you can change the statement accordingly. Mitosis keeps the chromosome number constant throughout the generation. False. Meiosis keeps the chromosome number constant throughout the generations. You can clearly see यहाँ generations की बात हो रही है. They are talking about the transmission of characteristics, which is the function of meiosis, where gametes are formed. So you need to change the statement. Why I have taken this question? Just to tell you that please mention true and false. But with false, also rewrite the statement. Read the question very, very carefully when you get your question paper. Choose odd one out is also something which is asked from this portion. Ab now, amitosis, mitosis, meiosis and cell cycle is given. Choose odd one out. These are all the stages of cell division. And this last one is the cell cycle. So that's the odd. Pro, meta, ana, telo and meiosis. Meiosis of course is odd. So you have to mention it separately. Don't just write the odd situation and be done with it. Please take some time, think over it and then your this part A, B, C जो आपका labeling है that should be perfectly correct. If you write like this, B के आगे you write cell cycle. ऐसा करते हैं बच्चे. That's why I am telling you. So it goes wrong because you have written it in front of B. Fine. Leptotin, zygo, pectine, diplotin and telophase. It's telophase of course. Now these are board questions, specifically board questions which I have taken here. We have discussed these questions in our previous video also where I showed you that these questions, these type of questions can come. Here I will tell you how to answer them. Given below is a diagram representing a stage of mitotic division. Study and answer the following. Ab, identify the stage and give a suitable reason. This is anaphase and a suitable reason is that the chromosomes have split and the chromatids are moving towards the pole. This is the reason. Is it a plant or animal cell? Of course, it's an animal cell because you have to support it with a reason because it does not have a cell wall around it. So you need to answer both the questions. एक question लिख के छोड़ नहीं देना है. Answer both. Draw neat labeled diagram of the stage which follows it. After this is our next stage, telophase. So you have to talk about and draw telophase. How many chromosomes will each daughter cell have after the completion of our division? अब यहाँ पे how many chromosomes will each daughter cell have? हम यहाँ human cells की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. You have to count the chromosome 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 chromosomes here. So the daughter cells will have 4 each. The 2 daughter cells which are formed. ये थोड़ा सोचने का है. Name the 4 nitrogenous bases. Now almost different. पूरा इन्होंने DNA से बारे में पूछ लिया है. 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So this is how you answer. Read the question thoroughly, interpret the question and then write the answer. जल्दी जल्दी लिखना नहीं है. Next. Given below is the diagram, a stage shown during mitotic division. They have already said it's mitotic division in animal cell. Animal cell भी बता दिया उन्होंने. That means it will not be there in the question. Identify the stage and give reason. Identify. This is prophase. Reason. क्योंकि nuclear membrane अभी भी दिखाई दे रहा है. Fine. The chromosomes are not arranged in any plane. Draw a neat diagram, well labeled diagram of cell which would appear next stage. Fine. Prophase के बाद metaphase, complete disappearance of nuclear membrane, and metaphase, arrangement in equatorial plane. In what 2 ways is mitotic division in animal cells different from mitotic division in plants? Now this where you have to think. Fine. Now you have to think that in mitotic division in plants, what is happening? It does not have a cell wall. Second, spindle fibers are there, but there is no centriole in plant cells. So spindle fibers are solely formed by microtubules in the plant cells. Whereas, and also plant cells they divide by cell plate formation, animal cells they divide by furrow formation in the cell membrane. Name the type of cell divisions which occur during growth of shoot, formation of pollen grains. Growth of shoot is in the body cells or the plant cells. So that is mitosis. And formation of pollen grains, meiosis. Next, it is a question. It's not related to the this structural question. It's a separate question. In where you have to give terms. The condition in which pair of chromosomes carry similar alleles of particular character. Homologous chromosomes. The complex consisting of DNA strand and core of histone proteins. Nucleosome. Why I have taken these two? First, these are your board questions. Second, because in these type of questions you have to be very very specific. आप कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते हो. You have to give one term which should be correct. So this is how the questions they come from cell division. You have clearly seen that maximum questions will be from or you can say you will for sure get questions as structural questions in your paper. For sure. 110% आना ही है एक स्टेज, और एक स्टेज आएगा, दूसरा स्टेज बनाना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स 2 स्टेजेस. सो यू कैंट लीव इट. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया बीच बीच में इट कैन बी इन ट्रू फॉल्स, इट कैन बी इन ऑड वन आउट, सो इट कैन बी आस्क्ड एनीवेयर. सो प्रिपेयर इट अकॉर्डिंगली. Next video, that is for plant physiology, wherein we talk about absorption by roots, transpiration and photosynthesis, all the important topics first. Then in next video, important questions, and in our next video, how to answer those questions. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.